Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Venmo app not working. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our videos. And now let's get into it. So if you face an error message while trying to open the Venmo app, or you simply get no response when you press onto the app to open it up, don't worry, this issue is more common than you think. And there are multiple solutions that we can try in order to fix this issue and get the app back into working. So the first thing that you want to check is your network. Make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection, because if you have no internet connection, then the app simply won't respond. However, if you have checked your internet and nothing is wrong with it, then the issue is from the app itself. First thing that you can try is update the app. To do that, you want to press onto the Play Store to open it up, and then press onto search in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. And then you want to come back up here to the search box above, tap on it, and then type in Venmo and press enter. Once the app appears, tap on it, and then if you see an update button instead of open here, then all you have to do is press on to update, wait for the app to install the updates on your device, and once it's done, you can go ahead and press onto the open button and the app should successfully work. But if you still face the same issue, then we can try deleting cache. For that, you want to go back to the home screen, and then you want to press or open up your phone settings. Then from here, you want to scroll through the options till you find the apps option, and then press on it and press on to app management. It's going to bring you up to this list of apps. However, only app that we need to locate is Venmo. So you can look for the Venmo app, and once you find it, tap on it, and then from here you can see an option that says storage usage, and there is where we're gonna find the app cache. So press on it, and then down here you can see a clear cache option. Well, once you tap on it, and you can try to open the app again. If it didn't fix the issue, then you're gonna have to come back up again to this page. However, this time you might need to remove the data of the app instead, and then you can try again. If that also wasn't helpful, then the only solution left is to remove and reinstall the app. And to do that, you want to come back up again to this page and come back up a screen, just like that. From here, you can see an uninstall option on the right hand side of the screen. So what you want to do is press on it and then confirm the deletion. Once the app is completely removed from your phone device, you can go again and open up the Play Store and look for the Venmo app. And once you find it, press on it and press on to install, and wait for the app to download and install on your mobile device. Once it's done, you can open it up and the app should successfully work. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it useful, and see you in the next one.